Hi, my name is Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. We represent a good number of people at any given time who have suffered brain injuries from accidents, and most of those have suffered them in car accidents. Sometimes brain injuries are easy to detect. Our client has suffered a fractured skull, or they've been through an MRI or CT scan that shows a hematoma on the brain, or something that's very obvious to let us and the doctors know that they've suffered a significant injury to their brain or to their head. But other times our clients don't have visible injuries. They don't have a fractured skull or don't have any findings on an MRI. However, they do have changes in behavior or changes that their friends and family have noticed about the way that they think, or their memories defective or impacted in some way. The most fortunate of our clients that have suffered a brain injury will be referred to a neuropsychologist for help. So I wanted to use this video to discuss why neuropsychologists are so important in brain injury cases. A neuropsychologist is typically a psychologist that actually has a doctorate degree in psychology and has received additional and specific training to treat people with brain injuries. In terms of personal injury cases, neuropsychologists are important because, first, they have special training on how to administer tests that reveal the existence and extent of brain injuries. This testing is critically important in cases where our client has not suffered the physical manifestations of a brain injury, such as a fractured skull or hematoma. Many times the defendants in these kinds of cases question the existence of a brain injury at all. And so these neuropsychological tests are an objective way of demonstrating brain injury. And as the years have gone by and as the testing has become more sophisticated, the testing can now reveal which particular parts of the human brain have been injured in an accident. Also important in personal injury cases is neuropsychological testing is designed to reveal whether someone is faking, which is almost always an issue in a brain injury case where you don't have a fractured skull or findings on an MRI. Neuropsychologists are also specially trained to help people who have suffered brain injuries cope with them. So they have special training in teaching people behavioral techniques and different modes that they can use so that they can learn to work around their brain injuries and still maintain some level of function in their lives. I've seen neuropsychologists help people get back to work who I thought would never have a chance to regain a normal working lifestyle. If you have any questions regarding the role of a neuropsychologist in a brain injury case, or any questions about a Florida brain injury case in general, please reach out to us. We love to answer questions. You can do so by calling our office at 407-254-4901. You can always text us at 407-644-4444, or you can even message us via the Facebook app.